So hey, welcome back to another video. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm getting ready to leave Jaco, but today they have this turtle release, and here in Garabito, it's a conservation for the sea turtles. So they've been having releases, and this is where I think they have the hatchlings, and they do them at sunrise, around 7 a.m. or before sunrise, and then around sunset. So that's what we're here for today, and it's a beautiful day here in Jaco, Costa Rica. And I always appreciate you guys stopping by. This is actually my last day here. I'm getting ready to go back to the States and spend Christmas and New Year's with my family and my adopted family here. It's been awesome being here. So if you haven't been, come down to Jaco, Costa Rica, book a stay, come check it out for yourself, and hopefully, so yeah, this is, it says right there, cuidar las tortugas marinas es cuidar el océano. So that translates to taking care of the marine turtles is the same as taking care of the ocean. Time goes by so fast. This year is almost over, and we're headed to 2026, and I'm so looking forward to that. You know, a year now seems like a summer. Oh, there's more hatchlings over here, so let's go check this out. So it's a good thing that they're doing for conservation. Maybe these have already hatched. I don't know. It's possible. Unfortunately, there's not going to be a release today, even though it's a beautiful day. We were told by the volunteers that they just weren't ready. So tell us, how do you feel about the turtle release? En español, está bien. As you're watching this, I am back home in California. This footage was sent to me by my goddaughter's mother, so I want to thank you for that. I asked her, since there was no release when we were there, she told me that she was going to take Emma to see the release that we were waiting for, and so I'm grateful that she sent me this footage. So it's an awesome project that they're doing here, and the reason they do the releases early in the morning and late in the evening is, from what I was told, is because the survival rate is higher. Not as many birds are, predators. I think, as you'll see in the next footage, where the volunteers kind of do a question and answer, and it's a great thing.
Oh, one's crawling on top of the other one. Now they know. Look, they're going faster now.
raised here to see the continuity of generations of the nature of animals. So we don't have this in North America where we're from, so we're very grateful to be part of this wonderful community and be able to help.
2%. That's not today that they're getting taken in. These are over time.
It's 2% for release, right? Or appreciation. Yeah.
The total of the turtles.
Yeah, the total of the turtles that we released is about 2% survival.
adults.
To be an adult.
Yes.
That's what I mean. So a lot of them will make it out, but they just don't all survive.
Survive. Yeah.
Yeah,
Correct.
For the pressures in the ocean, fishes, sharks,
Birds too.
pelicans.
We tend to have more birds, I think, in the morning.
Yes.
It's harder in the morning, but we try to sort of use this time to help them out, to guide them to the ocean. Any more questions?
Which variety of turtles are they? Which variety of turtles?
They're called, in Spanish, they're called Laura.
Lora.
I forget.
Lora.
Yes, thank you.
Laura.
Yes.
Tortuga Lora.
How do you know when they are about to catch?
So the wonderful volunteers, that's why they're 24/7. Their job literally is
Every 30 minutes
Yeah.
we check all the nets.
Like you hearing it?
No.
You know, you can see
visually.
the sand sometimes moving,
Ah.
and then you know they're ready to kind of come up to.
Oh, you
When
find
sun
someone
goes
already
down,
walking?
all the turtles go up.
So you help them to.
Sometimes
wait for
we
you, right?
help when the sun is like compact with the when it's raining or there's too much water inside. So we help. But normal they go alone. They do it everything alone. Yes. Another question?
So you collect them by yourself, like from on the beach?
Yeah, they've been collected, majority I would say during the night, and we have to protect them because they're considered a very hot commodity on the black market. So we've had to work really hard to kind of make sure we have secure spaces. The beautiful thing is that we have a wonderful municipality. We have a new administration that's been very supportive of this project. We couldn't have done it without the municipality's help. They've been able to help with donations for the viveros, but also private donations as well. So
The community help with us to the community police and the police, normal police, to help us at night, to walk at night, to find the mom. That's for more security for us.
it's just a culture. I can't speak because I'm not born here, but from my understanding, it's a cultural delicacy of having turtle eggs. Am I correct? Why are they considered odd on the planet? Salta? Jump over. Or, ¿qué está haciendo para abajo? Podemos haber hecho una competencia. Lo marcamos. Dos minutos.
Mami, no coge.
Ahorita la sueltan para que los puedas ver. Y hacemos una carrera, ¿está bien?
Well, the turtles that are born on this beach will make an annual pilgrimage, the ones that survive, and they'll return to the original beach after swimming thousands and thousands of miles throughout the oceans, and they return to the beach that they're born to lay their eggs. And again, I'm not a biologist, marine biologist or nothing, but that's from what I understand, being a turtle fan. Well, as I look forward to spending Christmas and New Year's here with my family in California, I'm also looking forward to getting back to Jaco as soon as possible. So just stay tuned. I have more content. And thank you for watching. Please leave me a comment. And if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe.